Fimo presents Protesan Mono. Repairs broken dentures and glues back teeth. It doesn't contain any harmful and allergenic compounds or cyanoacrylates. It doesn't harm the subsequent intervention by a dentist. A more convenient single-dose packaging, the only one with a plasticine base to securely hold the denture in place, therefore easing the repair. Instructions in 8 languages. The packaging contains one plot polymethyl methacrylate, 1 bottle methyl methacrylate, 1 plasticine block, 1 pipette, 1 spatula, 1 emery paper. Instruction for use. Clean the denture and dry it carefully. Using the emery paper provided, rub along the top of each broken section about 5 mm in from each side. Warning: do not touch the broken edges that are to be joined. Do not rub the broken edges with the emery paper, as these edges need to fit back together perfectly. Place the plasticine block provided on a steady surface. Press the fragments of the denture, with the teeth pointing upwards, into the plasticine block, ensuring that they fit together perfectly. Ensure that there are no gaps between the 2 edges. Open jar A that contains the dosed powder and squeeze in 35 to 40 drops of the liquid from jar B using the pipette provided. Using the spatula, mix until the content forms a smooth, sticky paste. Using the spatula, apply the paste to the denture over the entire line of the break. The paste should be approximately 2 mm thick and 5 to 6 mm wide. Ensure that you have covered the whole area previously rubbed with the emery paper. Moisten a fingertip with liquid B and rub over the applied paste to make it even. Wait approximately 15 minutes for the paste to harden. Hardening time may vary due to room temperature. Remove the denture from the plasticine block. Remove any residual plasticine from the denture. Using the emery paper, rub off any residuals of the hardened paste.